Today's meditation will be focusing on the sound around you. Wherever you are, find a comfortable seat. Sit on a chair with your back straight or crossed legs on the floor, on a mat or yoga block. Relax your body and shoulders. Relax your legs and your arms. Keep your eyes open with a soft gaze. Gently stretch your body and focus on your breathing. When you breathe in, think to yourself, in. And when you breathe out, think out. You can give your body a gentle stretch if you feel like it. Otherwise, just focus on your breath. Keep your eyes soft, looking at an object in front of you. Notice what's around the object without moving your gaze. Try to expand what you see in your vision field. Now turn your consciousness to your ears. What do you hear? Maybe some machine noise in the room you're in, or the sound of birds if you're outdoors. Just keep breathing in, out. And focus on the sounds. If your mind drifts away, that's okay. Just notice your thinking and then let it go and come back to your breath. And come back to the sound around you. Perhaps you can start to hear some noise from within your body. Now let's gently close your eyes. And bring your consciousness to your heart and the rest of your body. Let go of the sounds and what you've seen. And come back to yourself. It is so great that you're alive and you're able to listen and see. Take a moment to thank yourself for spending the time to take care of yourself and for spending the time to listen to your inner self. Now just gently open your eyes and we'll see you next time.